Morning YouTube. Well, we're out on another adventure. Today is the day. This is Dave Outdoors has organised a YouTube meetup. So it's myself, obviously Dave Outdoors, Salopian Bivvyman and the Druid Rambler. We're all meeting in Nipstone, which I've never been to, but it's up in the Shropshire Hills direction, and we're in the woods. So it's tarps and hammocks and a fire. So it should be a bit of fun. I'm bringing a camper just in case. And the weather has turned. It's been beautiful, but all it's done all night and all morning is chuck it down with rain. But I think it's going to clear later. I think we're going to get some more in the night, but we'll be all right. So I've got plenty of kit. We've got plenty of food, or Dave's brought plenty of food, so I haven't brought much. So anyway, when I get there, we'll have a look at the site and we'll get set up. See you in a bit.
And this is it, bud. They've took quite a lot of stuff away with them. No, like all that. That was like
bunch of thieves, isn't they?
That was like a table. That was. I'd laid all that. Was prepped the last chicken on there.
Right, ladies and gents, I've finally set up. It took quite a while, so I didn't bore you with all the following me actually doing it. But we got me tarp set up there. It is still raining, so I'm glad we've got that. Considering the weather we've had all week, 38 something degrees in Cambridgeshire, and today we're going camping and it's chucking it down. But I'm in my hammock. I've got that set up. I don't know if you'll see this. Very dark in here. I'll show you again later when I've got my lights set up. I've got an under blanket which I do not know how to put on there, so I have to get on the YouTube information library later, find out how to do that properly. But yeah, I'm now in the dry, ready for bed. So see you in the morning. Thank you very much. Only kidding. So yeah, I'll give you a quick tour of the camp. Here's Dave Outdoors sorting out the firewood. We're going to have a fire here. We're all going to sit round a big tarp over that, so stay dry. We're going to be joined later by Salopian Bivvyman and the Druid Rambler, who aren't here yet, but we gather they're on the way. So the next mission is to go and get plenty of wood. I think we're going to get the fire going sooner rather than later, and then we can sit round and put the world to rights.
Oh yes.
So it should be good. Well, we're warm because we've been sawing up all this bloody firewood, but it is howling it down. It's hard to gauge in the forest, but yeah, I think it's heavy rain. I think Russ has got lost. I'm reckoning. We think Salopian is here, but not quite with us yet. But yeah, Dave's just taken the executive decision that bollocks to it. We're going to have a cup of tea. So more. Good to meet you, Russ. Right. Yeah, all right, mate. And to you.
All right, Goon.
Here's Russ.
Hello, guys.
And there's Russ.
You made it.
So far, it's not letting them boys.
Good to see you, mate.
Are you on the safari? Are you good?
I think so.
Yeah, I'll keep the feet.
Mate, you'll be fine.
You'll be alright, Russ, in that. You'll get used to it, mate. You get a sleeping bag and then...
Oh, and what you do then is to rock yourself to sleep as you get it going a bit like that. That'll go. And it's away.
There we go.
There we go.
Get in.
Chuck it on the wet logs. Watch it go out. Another way of doing it is Dave's got some dodgy chemicals from the garage. Potassium permanganate. Is that how I say it?
Yeah.
Permanganate.
Give it 20 odd seconds.
Brake fluid. So if ever you're in a pickle, pop to the shop, get some potassium permanganate, and then drain your brake fluid out your car, and you can make fire.
Any second.
Whee!
It goes for quite a while as well.
Just as well, doesn't it? Look at this.
On the front page, drop that down. So Dave,
Russ
This
Russ
is Russ
is
getting
a
in.
Russ is a virgin in the hammock department.
I'm glad you said hammock department.
Yeah, hammock department.
Don't jump in, slide in.
Wedge
Sit
his way.
yourself in. This is. Yeah, Russ is in now.
Russ
look.
is in.
Right now, you got.
Oh dear.
Russ is out now. You alright, mate?
yeah, I'm alright.
Morning. We're in the forest of Shropshire Hills, and you can hear the beast is awakening. You may have heard it. This is Russ. Sounds like a seal trying to shag a rhinoceros. Let's see if the Salopian Bivvyman is awake. Dave's up like a trooper, he's got the kettle on already. Morning. Yeah, he's bugging a rug in there. Morning. Hey, that was slick. That's 9 o'clock. Bivvyman chef is up,
Crack them all into there.
and fire's going again. Look, cracking little South African hot plate. Look at that. If you are wondering, there's only 4 of us.
Comes off the bottom there.
Scratches in it. Well done, everybody. That was another little wild camp trip. That was absolutely great fun. Good mates, good company. It was really nice just sitting around that fire, chilling out, talking all sorts of rubbish, having a couple of beers. Slept like a log in that hammock. Really pleased with that setup now. That under blanket is the icing on the cake. Get that little draft away. I meant that my sleeping bag was just sort of draped over the top rather than having to get in it to stay warm. And yeah, I slept right through till about, I don't know, it's about 7 o'clock I think. So yeah, feel good. So yeah, I will do that again at some point. Takes a bit of organising, getting grown-ups all free at the same time, but we managed it once. I'm sure we'll do it again. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll get back and get all the tack sorted out and get cleaned up and chilled out and get edited. So we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.